PowerShell for Azure SQL Performance Tuning is a powerful tool that allows you to monitor and optimize your database performance. To get started, you need to install the Azure PowerShell module and import it into your PowerShell session. First, launch PowerShell and install the Azure PowerShell module by running the command install module Azure AD and install module as. Then import the module by running the command import module as. Next, you need to connect to your Azure account by running the command connect as account. This will prompt you to sign in to your Azure account. Once connected, you can use the Get AZ SQL Server CMD to retrieve a list of all your Azure SQL servers. You can then use the Get AZ SQL Database CMD to retrieve a list of all your Azure SQL databases. To monitor performance, you can use the Get AZ SQL Database Metrics CMD to retrieve metrics such as CPU percentage and storage used. You can also use the Get AZ SQL Server Metrics CMD to retrieve metrics for your Azure SQL Server. To optimize performance, you can use the Set AZ SQL Database CMD to update the service tier and vCore count of your database. You can also use the Set AZ SQL Server CMD to update the service tier and vCore count of your server. Best practices for Azure SQL performance tuning include regularly monitoring your database performance and adjusting your service tier and vCore count as needed. You should also make sure to implement indexing and caching to improve query performance. By following these steps and best practices, you can use PowerShell to effectively monitor and optimize your Azure SQL database performance. This will help you to improve the performance and reliability of your database and ensure that it is running efficiently.